So far, we've made sound in VCV Rack using oscillators and noise. But right now, that sound is constant, always on. Let's change that. In this video, we'll learn how to shape sound using an envelope to control volume over time, a filter to sculpt tone, and a reverb to add depth and space. What's a VCA and why it matters? To shape volume, we need something called a VCA, short for voltage-controlled amplifier. Here's what that means. A VCA takes audio in and controls how loud it is based on another signal, usually an envelope. Think of it like an automatic volume knob. When the envelope rises, the volume goes up. When the envelope falls, the sound fades away. This lets us turn continuous sound into musical notes, swells, or plucks. Let's add a VCA now. Right-click and choose VCV VCA. Place it between your sound source, like the mixer or oscillator. Add an envelope generator. Now, let's create a shape to control that volume. To trigger the envelope, we'll use an LFO module set to a square wave. This sends regular on-off pulses. Patch it like this. LFO square out into ADSR gate in. ADSR out into VCA CV in. Now the VCA's volume follows the envelope. Sound fades in, holds, and fades out with every LFO pulse. You can now shape how each note behaves. Attack is how fast sound fades in. Decay and sustain is how long it holds. Release is how long it fades out. Add a filter for tone control. To shape the character of the sound, we'll use a filter. Add the VCF, voltage-controlled filter module. Patch it like this. Oscillator out into VCF in, VCF low pass out into VCA audio in. Turn the frequency knob to sweep through highs and lows. Use resonance for emphasis. Want the filter to move with the sound? Connect ADSR out into VCF CV in. Now the filter opens and closes with the envelope too. Add reverb for space. Last step, add atmosphere. Add a reverb module like plateau. Patch VCA out into reverb in, reverb out into audio module. Adjust the mix, size, and decay to control the space. You can go from subtle room ambiance to huge ambient pads. Wrap up. So now you've built a basic, expressive synth voice. Oscillators or noise for sound, VCA for volume control, envelope to shape dynamics, a filter to sculpt tone, and reverb for space. Every part has a job, and now your patch reacts like an instrument. What's next? In the next video, we'll dive into modulation and sequencing, adding movement and rhythm to your sound. Until then, try changing waveforms, play with envelope timing, and explore different filter settings. You're building a vocabulary of sound. See you in the next patch.